This is the 12-volt electric AC compressor kit. It comes with some heavier wires with a fuse, it looks like here. So sure, nice long wire for some power. Then here is the electric AC compressor. I think we can assume low side and high side. I don't know, I'll have to measure them. Maybe that's going to be the suction and discharge. Who knows what their colors exactly mean. We'll have to figure that out. Here are 3 motor wires. This is just an AC motor with 3 wires. That makes sense. Goes down to a controller. Okay, that's simple enough. Now, look at what they gave me. A plug with no pinouts, right? So here's this one plug. And then they gave me some smaller wires, I guess for power. I don't know what gauge wire this is. It looks like it might be 10 gauge. But when you come over here, I don't even think I can see anything on the jacket that says what size it is, but I mean that's closer to 8 or something. So I mean, how do they intend me to hook it up? Run an 8 gauge wire and then bolt it to these through a terminal strip or something? And so then this does go down here. And then there's this other bit of wire, right, that goes into this plug. See, that's that red wire going in here that's tied in here. Okay, cool. And then a black coming back. Yep, got it. And then you got this little guy, which looks like it could go onto a pressure switch, like plug onto it or something. And there's a red and a black, and there's a red and a black. So I can only assume that this is kind of an on-off, like pressure switch type thing. But wait, there's more. There's a purple and green wire, which again, go into this plug. So the question is, what are all these doing? And I think these are supposed to be for different speeds. Okay, we could maybe figure that out without letting the smoke out. But then, look, they gave me another bit of wiring harness with the same plug that does not plug into this. But this one has a fuse built in. Okay, that's nice. And then look, we still have our red and black, and we have our purple and green. So I don't know why I just got another plug setup. Like in case you don't want to use this stuff, use this. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'll email the seller, see if they can actually send me a wiring diagram or pin connections or something for this. But there it is, cheap Chinese AC compressor that I don't really know how to use right now.